Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss variables and data types. Guys, what is a variable? Variables are nothing but a container. I'll write it here. A container that stores the data. Let's take any container, right? If you want to store some data, we'll store in the form of variable. For example, if I want to store int num equal to 5, right? And now I want to type this number variable, right? I'll do write line of num. Now I have to give semicolon here. So if I execute this, the build has started. Now it will give me the now it has given me the console and I have got the answer 5. What exactly is this? Num is a variable which has stored the value 5 and the type is a int variable. Now let us see what are the type of data types present in C#. Let me write a few examples. First is integer. As we have seen, integer will take only the int values. I will show you the values, what is the range of that. And then we have a double, which will take the decimal values. We can write double, double, and I can write like this, double as a number. I can give 5.5 and I can print this one. After that we have a character. So this will take only a single character. Let's say character A equal to A. It will only take single character. If we give more than one, it belongs to a string data type. So we don't have a log. Sorry, we have write line. So I'll put character of A. After that, we have a Boolean value. So in C#, Boolean will write like this: Boolean b equal to, we can say either true or false. Now we have to give semicolon here. Programming languages are very strict in following the rules. If we give semicolon or not, it will not mind. The interpreter will definitely work, but not in the high level programming languages. You have to give semicolon each and everywhere. So now, so we have integer. Integer is, we have given a variable as num and value is 5, double 5.5, character it uses a single character only. Bool we have true or false. String we can write, string will take any variable. Let's say string C equal to Azhar Techno Coder. I can write Console.WriteLine of C. Float we have. Float is also a primitive data type. Bool char is also a primitive data type. Float f equal to 5.5, and in float we have to write f in the end. I'll take Console.WriteLine of, right? So this is a number variable, this is a data type, and then we are just printing it by using Console.WriteLine. So let us see the code. After seeing the output, we'll then go for what is the limit of the data types, how far we can use it. So now you can see here 5.5, A, false, Azhar Techno Coder, and 5.5. Now, what is the limit of integer variable? Do we have what is how much size it takes? So the size of integer variable, it takes 4 bytes, and the range is from this huge number to a other huge number. So this is the values, the top level values we can store in int. So we have float, right? So float uses 4 bytes, and the values it stores sufficient for storing 6 or 7 decimal point digits. We can store up to 6 or 7 decimal digits, and also it uses very less memory, that is only 4 compared to double. It uses huge 8 bytes and sufficient for 15 decimal digits. We do have a long, right? We can take one more example. For example, for long variables, long L, we can write. For example, we have given a huge number. These numbers we can store it in long. So what is the memory the long takes? Long takes 8 bytes, and it can store huge number. So let me type the number there. So this is the from minus value to the plus value the long uses to that number. So what is the character? So character use only single quotes, right? So character uses only 2 bytes of space, and a single character can be stored. How much the limit Boolean takes, right? Boolean takes a single byte, single bit, and stores a true or false. Either it's a true or it's a false. String will take, it's the same thing, but it stores 2 bytes per character. We can store a sequence of characters surrounded by double quotes. And also we have few other things. So we have s byte. So s byte is equal to, we can write dual value, and we can print it this. So it takes values from minus 128 to plus 127. And also we do have a short primitive data type. It takes the values from, we have short sh equal to 1000 we can take, and we can type the short value also. So what is the, how long it will take, what is the range where short can take? It can take from 32,767 to 32,767. And what will be the range of a float? So already we have seen it can take up to the 6 to 7 decimal digits, but also I'll write here the range will be from 1.5. So range will be up to here 7 digit precision we have taken. We'll show you the range how far it can take. So we'll go up to double. We'll go to the end. We'll paste it here. It can take from 15 digit precision from this range to minus this range in the plus range. So these are the data types present, guys. So let me execute for the last time. So let me click on data type build. The build is now succeeded. So let us see the value. So all the values which I have mentioned here have been executed. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. This code I'll put in the description. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.